Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine. You could be all the things you wanted to be. Just let your soul glow. Sexy. All silky and easy as 1, 2, 3. Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine. Your hair to make you look like just me. Let your soul glow. Silky, shiny. You know what to do. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Just let your soul. Just let your soul glow. YouTube, it's your girl Marcy to be letting her soul glow. Yes, I am feeling a little nostalgic. I definitely sported a Jerry curl back in the day, and I bet some of you ladies and gents did too. For me, it was the perfect alternative to a relaxer that lasted until your roots grew out. And low maintenance. All you needed was your bottle of curl activator, a few spritz of that to get your curls shiny and bouncy and on fleek. So I just had to try Superline's P&D, that's Pick and Drop Jerry Curl 12, and bring back the memories. Now the wonderful thing about Superline's Jerry Curl braid is that it is synthetic pre-curled hair. No curl activator needed. Maybe a little braid spray or water to refreshen it. So there's no greasy buildup, no embarrassing stains on the couch or the pillow. All kidding aside, YouTube, Superline's Pick and Drop Jerry Curl Braid 12 is really a fun, trendy version of the classic Jerry Curl style from the 80s. Now, this is the packaging you're going to want to look for at your local beauty supply store, or if you're purchasing online, you're going to want to get it at hairmeme.com. I'm going to place my special link in the description box. Be sure to use that link when you're purchasing this hair or any other Superline hair that I may review. I'll always place my special link in the description box. Click on that, and after you've accumulated $200 in sales, you'll be eligible for a special gift. This style is available in 7 solid colors. I am wearing it in color 1B. Of course, I created a Crochet Braids wig unit, but you can definitely install this in Crochet Braids, Pick and Drop Braids. Super easy to install. Here is a close-up look at one strand to give you a better idea of what that curl pattern looks like. Now, I used 6 packs, but I wanted mine really full. You could probably use fewer packs, but even with the 6 packs, the hair, you can tell by the movement, is really light on your head, not heavy at all. And I think if you're looking for a fun, flirty style for summer, this could be it. Superline also has a Jerry loop style that I reviewed before, and I'll be sure to post a link to that video in the description box. Now, just like that style, this Jerry Curl Braid 12 inches should be really low maintenance. With a little care, this hair should last, and you shouldn't have any issues with tangling or frizzing. That is the 411 I have for you, YouTube, on Superline's Pick and Drop Jerry Curl Braid 12. Now, if there's anything that I didn't touch on, questions, comments, please, you know what to do. Post those below. I'll be sure to get right back at you. And check back on my channel later this week. I'll be back with a couple of new videos, so stay glued for that. Until then, YouTube, I'm out. Thank you so very much for watching. You know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Just let your soul glow. Just let your soul glow.